Would you like to sail rapidly and freely on the sea? With powerful motor, our 2.4G remote control boat model HJ809 will be your best choice. Also, you can enjoy fishing with it. To attach the net, just press the button for 2 seconds to rise up or lower down the lifting shaft. If the lifting shaft stays still for about 10 minutes, it will automatically shut down. Then, attach the fishing net and start the remote control. As the boat moves forward quickly, the fishing net will be spread widely. With a built-in water-cooled system, our HJ809 ensures a continuous power system. Also, its hidden cable design will bring you a safety and reliable operation. Before sailing, remember to charge the battery. Then, connect the battery to the boat and close the hatches and fix it with a knob. Its Profession 2.4G remote control has trigger and steering wheel and different functions buttons. For frequency pairing, just turn on the remote control. It will automatically match. If there are other boats, please separate it for frequency pairing. If frequency could not match, turn off the remote control first. Then press the lighting button and hold it. Then turn on the remote control again. With beautiful night lights, so you can enjoy the fun at the dock too. If the boat flips suddenly, you may pull the trigger to go back and then move forward quickly. For smooth sailing, just pull the trigger and adjust the steering wheel. To change the speed or turning angle, just pull the trigger with different angles or adjust the steering wheel. When the lights keep flashing on the remote control, it's low battery warning for the remote control. If it makes beep sound, please return the boat ASAP in case of body's battery used out. So, this is our whole new 2.4G remote control boat model, HJ809.